Hey guys, just gonna wait a few minutes for some more people to join. Hey guys, thanks so much for joining us. Appreciate everybody paying on time tonight. That helps us out a lot. Just a quick note for everybody. We are having back-to-back live breaks. So we have a live break tomorrow as well, same time, 6 p.m. PST. And we are breaking the 2021 Bowman Inception boxes, 4 of those, and 2 of the Bowman Draft Lights. So bidding is still live for those if you guys want to check that out on our eBay. For today's break, we are breaking the 2021 Bowman Inception boxes, Donruss Optic Choice, and Stadium Chrome Hobby boxes. Hopefully we get a lot of autos tonight. And best of luck to everybody. Let's go over the list. So for the Diamondbacks, we have Joe W., Braves Benjamin, Orioles Joshua, Red Sox Benjamin, Cubs Richard, White Sox Christopher, Reds Ross, Guardians Joseph, Rockies Connor, Tigers Owen, Astros Joseph, Royals Donnie, Angels Jacob, Dodgers Peter, Marlins Brian, Brewers Benjamin, Twins Peter, Mets Kevin, Yankees Adam, Athletics Edward, Phillies Ben, Pirates Jacob, Padres David, Giants Ross, Mariners Emery, Cardinals Austin, Rays Peter, Rangers Nick, Jays Benjamin, and Nationals Nate. Thanks again so much for everyone who paid on time. Really appreciate it. Helps us relieve a lot of stress before a break. All right. not as easy to take out of the box as some of the other boxes. I wish it was.
A lot of packs.
A lot of packs, and they're all laid up on each other. Anyways. Okay, first pack. Of course. Of course. There we go. Rough opening. Okay. That was rough. First card, we have David Peterson, rookie card. Got Chris Bryant. Sawamura, rookie card. Carson Kelly. Ian Happ. And a Beam Team, Cody Bellinger. Okay. Wow, these are terrible to open. Making me look really bad. Not my day.
What's wrong with it?
I don't know. Every time I start from one tab, it rips. And I've dealt with some pretty hard packs. Alright, we got Ahmed Rosario. Patrick Corbin. Swanson. Schwarber. Rookie card, Alex Kirilloff. And a Ronald Acuna Jr. What do you call these? Variation.
Flip it real quick. Okay, yeah, it's a variation. It's nice.
Yeah, it is nice.
It's a cool card.
Yeah, you like the variation cards.
Mm-hmm.
My dad likes the variation cards.
That's when I was a kid.
Yeah. Just kidding. Alright, let's see if this is... Come on. Got a rookie card, Dalton Jeffries. Rookie card, Tejeda. Ernie Banks. Rookie card, Johnson. Whoa, here it is, auto. Rookie card, auto, Jonah Heim. Nice. Texas.
Yeah.
Take a look. See a number. And upside down. Rookie card, Palacios. Josh Palacios. It's a refractor. The shine on it.
Palacios.
Did I say that wrong? Palacios. And Ichiro. Another refractor. Cool refractors on the... You don't call them hollows.
No, just refractors.
Just refractors. Yeah, but they're cool. Alright. Okay, rookie card, Florial. Got a Wagner, black and white. Benintendi. Aquino. Yordan Alvarez. And a Variation. Rookie card, Joe Adell.
It's nice.
That one is nice. Thank you. Okay, we have a Will Clark, Celestino rookie card, Sixto Sanchez rookie card, Gleyber Torres, rookie card Luis Garcia, and a Christian Yelich variation. Okay, Willie Castro. Alec Boehm rookie card. Ian Anderson rookie card. Nick Madrigal rookie card. A few rookies there. And Nemo. A Blake Snell refractor. Got LeMahieu. I made that one way more difficult than it had to be. Murray. Trent Grisham. Craig Biggio. Ty Cobb.
Cool.
Nice one. And a refractor Walker. Ricky Henderson, Guerrero, Jose Devers, rookie card.
Did you say Guerrero? Is it Guerrero?
Is it Guerrero? Guerrero? I just make it more complicated than it has to be. Chapman.
It's a Hall of Famer. Guerrero.
Sorry. Yu Darvish. Not me butchering up a Hall of Famer. And a Beam Team, Alex Bregman. Okay, Julio Urias. Charlie Blackmon. Devin Williams. Davy Garcia, rookie card. Mitch Keller. And a virtual reality. Jose Abreu. Got a Nate Lowe. Sonny Gray. Mookie Betts. Rookie card, Jonah Heim. Aaron Nola. And another variation, Derek Jeter. Got Carlos Correa. Brian Reynolds. Austin Meadows. Chipper Jones. Mario Feliciano rookie card. And a refractor, Zach McKinstry rookie card. Got Marcus Stroman. Taijuan Walker. Roy Campanella. Rookie card, Ryan Castellani. Got Miguel Cabrera. And Yadier Molina, refractor.
No good O's yet.
No good O's yet. Better late than never. Got Carlos Rodon. Jose Barrero, rookie card. Josh Fleming, rookie card. Jared Kelenic, rookie card. Kikuchi. And a Beam Team Alec Bohm. Last pack for this box. Got a rookie card, Nick Gordon. And Wilson Contreras. Got a Andre Jimenez rookie card. And Danny Jensen. Got a Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Was missed? No. Looks like it. And a rookie card, Alec Bohm. Variation.
It's like a wave variation, maybe?
It's a wave?
Yeah, I don't know what that is. That's cool,
I've never seen this one. I don't think it's wave.
It's a nice hit.
Yeah, a nice hit. Cool. Wave variation?
I don't know what that is.
Yeah, it's a new one. Cool, next box. Oh, the 90 Stadium Club style, you think? Or the 92?
I think it's a 91 variation.
Oh, a 91 variation. Close. Thanks.
Yeah.
We think. Don't quote us. Okay. Got Miguel Rojas. Confirming 91? We're looking it up.
No, I'm not looking at the name. I'm looking to see if that is a wave or what that is.
Oh, what, if it's a wave or not? Okay. All right, cool. Got another Ichiro. Jose Marmolejos rookie card.
Yeah, it's a wave 91 variation, wave refractor.
Oh, it is a wave. A wave 91 variation refractor. Cool. Never seen that one. Defo wave. Mike Moustakas. Here's our auto. Shirton Apostle rookie card. That's a pretty auto, actually. Okay.
Yeah, that's a nice hit.
Yeah, nice hit for Texas. And a refractor, Zach Wheeler. All right, Travis Blankenhorn rookie card. Tim Anderson. Got Rafael Marchand rookie card. Bo Jackson. Darryl Strawberry.
Oh, yeah. Both autos to the Rangers.
Both autos to the Rangers. Who has the Rangers? Oh, and a rookie card, Crone Zone.
Nick.
Nick, congrats. You got both autos so far. Got Max Kepler. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. And Justin Verlander. Didi Gregorius. Maybe start betting on the Rangers. Nolan Ryan. And Beam Team, Cabrian Hayes. Got Miguel Yager, rookie card. Chris Sale. Dylan Cease. Nico Goodrum. Chris Davis. And variation, Bryce Harper. Yeah. Cool. Some of these packs want to fight. All right. The Phils did get the 91s. All right. Justin Williams rookie card. Ozzy Albies. Matt Olson. Luis Campusano rookie card. Chris Taylor. Oh, and a virtual reality, Trevor Story. Got a rookie card, DJ Peters. Another rookie card, Tucker Davidson. Yuli Gurriel. Christian Yelich. Dominic Smith. And a variation, Vladimir Guerrero Jr.
Nice.
Nice. Rookie card, Lewin Diaz. Mike Brasso. Brusso. James Caron. Sorry. Help me out with this one, please.
Karinchak.
Karinchak. That one was rough. Mondesi. Got Roger Clemens. And Beam Team Aaron Judge.
Yeah, nothing special for the White Sox.
Nothing special for the White Sox for anybody that's drunk. But best of luck. We'll also do a recap at the end of this, so if you're just joining now, you can always fast forward to that later. I'm struggling with some of these packs. The opening just doesn't want to. There we go. Wow. I'm telling you. All right. Kyle's here. Andrew Vaughn, rookie card. Jesus Luzardo. Hyunjin Ryu. Freddie Peralta. Beam Team, Bobby Dalbec, rookie card. Let go. Man, oh man. There we go. Okay. Rasmussen rookie card. Corey Kluber. Cal Ripken Jr. Antone rookie card. Or Antone. Greg Maddux. And Nate Lowe refractor.
Of course.
We would like to see that too. Okay, Dylan Bundy. Jock Peterson. Tristan McKenzie, rookie card. Ryan Jeffers, rookie card. Hank Aaron. And a Randy Johnson refractor. Got Will Smith. Eduardo Rodriguez. Garrett Cole. Evan Longoria. Rookie card Nick Matten. And a Beam Team Pete Alonso.
It's okay. It's our last 2 boxes. It's so you clip them.
I don't know what it is with these boxes. Hyun Kim, yeah. Rookie card Jorge Ona.
Keep the pressure.
Zach Wheeler. Nico Horner. David Wright. And a variation Pete Alonso. I call him polar bear. The polar bear. Gary Sanchez. Johnny Bench.
It's a cool card.
I know, balloons. Lucas Giolito. Thank you. Clayton Kershaw. Nate Pearson rookie card. And a refractor, Victor Gonzalez. Last pack for this box. And it was easier to open. I didn't know nicknames were Marvel themed. Chris Bubick rookie card. Got Joey Bart rookie card. Lou Gehrig. Luke Rayleigh rookie card. Fran Mil Reyes, former Padre. And Max Muncy, refractor. Ooh, 12 out of 50 on this one.
Oh, wow, cool.
Nice. For the Dodgers. Three autos. Out of how many cards? 10, right? 10. Nice. One pack. That one was the easiest one.
You only got 4 packs left.
I know. Oh, nice. And a clean open. A little bit of color, possibly. Hey, Taylor. Got Jose Barrios. Hollow. Thank you. Sleek on that one. Luis Campusano. Hollow. Ooh. It is
Nice.
green. Heston Kjerstad auto. Mojo.
Numbered.
I'm sorry. Put that down. It is $79.99. Nice hit.
Nice hit.
Okay. Another auto. You know, when you have smaller hands and when cards are sliding all over, we have red, Mojo, auto, Jesus Sanchez. 25/99. Nice.
Nice. That's the big hit. The next card.
This one is the big hit.
That's a nice hit.
Dylan Carlson, auto. Red, Mojo. It is 29/99.
Nice.
Who's got it? For Austin. All right, we have a Luis Patino.
Well, they got numbered on the back.
Oh, that's right. Thank you. And it is 18/88. Green. Prism. Diamond Kings, Cody Bellinger. 26/110. Xander Bogaerts, red. 43/110. Red and white stripes, Hyunjin Ryu. 20/45. And Keston Hiura. Stars.
I think it's Liberty.
Liberty. 6/45. Look at that. Helping each other out. Rough. There we go. Okay, we have a hollow Zach Gallen. Another hollow Keibert Ruiz. I'm going to push these to the back here.
Good.
Thanks.
Glad you're paying attention.
You got a Clayton Kershaw. Looks like it's green. And it is 10/88. Prism. Gleyber Torres, red. And it is 24/110. Freddie Freeman, green. 17/88. Liberty, Christian Yelich. 45/45. And got Hoskins. Hollow.
No number.
No number. Thank you. And Keibert Ruiz. Yes. Okay. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Got Dalton Jeffries. Red Mojo. Auto. And it is 74/99. Nice hit. Oakland.
Oh, wow. 2 Kerstads.
2 Kerstads.
Holy moly.
And an Alex Kirilloff auto.
Those are awesome.
This one's a Mojo, and it's 58 out of 99. 2 Kershaws. Who is Kershaw? Alex Kirilloff Green Mojo.
Well, one of these guys, because they were looking for the Orioles earlier.
68 out of 99. Joshua, you got the Kershaw. Congrats.
You got them.
Nice.
You got both Kershaws.
Let's take a look at this. Got both Kershaws. Nice. 2 autos. 2 Mojos. 79 and a 58 out of 99. Good night for Josh. My favorite, the Inception. Yeah, glad we could pull those. 2 autos.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. We have Kevin Alcantara. We're going to get 2 autos, 3 autos in this one. Who knows? Nolan Gorman. Quinn Preister. Austin Martin. First auto, 3 out of 200, Ivan Herrera. 21 out of 50, Gage Workman auto. And it looks like it's gold.
Yep.
And a 72 out of 75, Polanco. And fuchsia.
Fuchsia's good.
Fuchsia. Last pack match. Wow. That was easy to open. Yeah. Okay. We have Carlos Colmenares. Pomeranz. Michael Bush. Martinez.
Oh,
Victor
nice.
Acosta, nice hit for the Padres. 8 out of 25, orange.
Yeah, orange foil.
Yeah, orange foil.
Wow.
Nice hit for the Padres.
Look great.
Yeah, it looks good.
Nice.
Yeah.
Max Meyer.
And a Max Meyer, 91 out of 99, silver auto. Silver ink auto. For the Marlins.
It's a nice hit too.
Mm-hmm. And we have, last but not least, Aqua, Drew Waters. Thank you guys so much for joining.
Do a recap.
Really quick recap for those of you who joined later. Again, appreciate you guys paying on time. And tomorrow we have another live break, back to back. We are breaking the 4 Bowman Inception boxes and 3 Bowman Draft Lights. So bidding is still open for that too, if you guys want to join us tomorrow as well. We also appreciate anyone who's who's joining us again today. So thank you so much for the support. And quick recap here.
So 3 rookie cards. This is the refractor that's numbered.
Okay.
Refractor Ichiro, 91 variations.
Okay. Okay.
Got it all?
No. Here's a rookie card, Bobby Dahlback, Beam Team. Brian Hayes, rookie card, Beam Team. Jared Kalenic, rookie card. Max Muncy, these are the variations.
No, that one's...
Sorry.
That one's a refractor.
The refractor?
Numbered.
Numbered, it is 12 out of 50. And we have another refractor, Ichiro. Christian Yelich refractor. Sorry, hollow, not a refractor.
No, variation.
Variation, sorry. Pete Alonso variation, thank you. Okay, that's what you said. Okay, Bryce Harper, Derek Jeter, Joe Adele, Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Ronald Acuna Jr., and the Alec Boehm rookie card. What was this, 91? 91 variation wave refractor. It's like 4 things. All right, and
2 stadium autos.
Here's the 2 stadium autos. We have Jonah Heim rookie card and Apostle rookie card. Both for the Rangers. And the Bowman Inception. And Optic. We have 72 out of 75 for Polanco Fuchsia. Auto, Ivan Herrera, 3 out of 200. Silver Ink Auto Max Meyer, 91 out of 99. Got a Workman Auto, 21 out of 50 gold. Here's our Victor Acosta, numbered 8 out of 25 orange. Got a Dalton Jeffries auto, red mojo, 74 out of 99. Jesus Sanchez, red auto mojo, 25 out of 99. Alex Kirilloff, green mojo auto, numbered 68 out of 99. Heston Kjerstad mojo, 58 out of 99 auto. Another Heston Kjerstad green mojo auto, and it's 79 out of 99. And then last one, Dylan Carlson mojo auto red, 29 out of 99. It's the case. Sorry about that. Okay.
Just a little bit
in the case. All right. Thank you. Thanks so much, guys. See you next time.